Double-hung window installation in Knoxville is a popular choice for homeowners seeking both functionality and aesthetic appeal. Our Knoxville window installation services ensure that your double-hung windows in Knoxville are installed with precision and care, providing you with energy-efficient windows that enhance your home's comfort and style. Choose double-hung windows in Knoxville for a timeless design that offers easy operation and lasting value. Energy-efficient windows in Knoxville are essential for reducing energy costs and improving home comfort. Our Knoxville home window experts specialize in installing energy-efficient double-hung windows in Knoxville that help maintain optimal indoor temperatures, reducing the need for excessive heating or cooling. With double-hung windows in Knoxville, you get superior insulation and excellent ventilation all year long. Window frame replacement is crucial for maintaining the structural integrity of your windows. Our Knoxville window frame installation services offer comprehensive solutions to replace damaged or outdated window frames, ensuring your windows remain secure and functional. Pairing frame upgrades with double-hung windows in Knoxville provides added strength, efficiency, and classic appeal. Sash window installation is a specialized service offered by our Knoxville window experts. We provide sash window services in Knoxville to restore the functionality and appearance of your sash windows, ensuring they operate smoothly and efficiently. Installing double-hung windows in Knoxville enhances both usability and design, giving your home a timeless, traditional look. Window glass upgrade is a smart investment for homeowners looking to improve their home's energy efficiency and security. Our window glass replacement Knoxville services offer a range of options to enhance your window's performance and appearance. Combine these with double-hung windows Knoxville for optimal insulation, safety, and curb appeal. Home window services in Knoxville encompass a wide range of solutions, from installation to maintenance. Our Knoxville home window experts are dedicated to providing top-notch services that meet all your window needs, ensuring your home remains comfortable and secure. Whether you need installations or new double-hung windows in Knoxville, our team delivers lasting results. Window seal installation is essential for preventing drafts and improving energy efficiency. Our Knoxville window insulation services include comprehensive window seal installation to ensure your windows are airtight and energy efficient. Pairing these with double-hung windows Knoxville ensures superior performance, durability, and comfort for every season. Custom window solutions in Knoxville offer homeowners the opportunity to personalize their windows to match their unique style and needs. Our custom windows Knoxville services provide tailored solutions that enhance your home's aesthetic and functionality. Incorporate double-hung windows Knoxville into your design for a blend of elegance, versatility, and energy efficiency. Window hardware replacement is a key component of maintaining your window's functionality. Our Knoxville window contractor services include expert window hardware replacement to ensure your windows operate smoothly and securely. When paired with double-hung windows Knoxville, upgraded hardware ensures ease of use and long-term performance. Window insulation services in Knoxville are designed to improve your home's energy efficiency and comfort. Our Knoxville window insulation experts provide comprehensive solutions to enhance your window's insulating properties, reducing energy costs and improving indoor comfort. Double-hung windows Knoxville complement these services with tight seals and exceptional airflow control. Window pane replacement is a common service for addressing damaged or outdated panes. Our window pane services Knoxville offer expert solutions to replace your window panes, ensuring your windows remain functional and aesthetically pleasing. Upgrade to double-hung windows Knoxville for a modern touch that combines durability and energy savings. Window screen installation is a practical solution for enhancing your home's ventilation and security. Our window screen services Knoxville offer professional installation of high-quality window screens, providing you with added comfort and protection. Paired with double-hung windows Knoxville, you'll enjoy fresh air circulation and bug-free interiors. For top-notch double-hung window installation in Knoxville, trust our expert team to deliver exceptional results. Our Knoxville window installation services ensure your home benefits from the latest energy-efficient double-hung windows. Knoxville, reducing energy costs and enhancing comfort. With our comprehensive window frame replacement and sash window installation services, your windows will look and function like new. Upgrade your home with energy-efficient windows in Knoxville, designed to keep your home comfortable year-round. Our Knoxville home window experts specialize in window glass upgrades and custom window solutions, providing tailored options to meet your specific needs. Whether you need window seal installation or window hardware replacement, we also install double-hung windows. Knoxville for superior quality and performance. Ensure your windows are in top condition with our window maintenance services in Knoxville. From window weatherproofing to window screen installation, our team offers a full range of services to keep your windows performing optimally. Our window trim replacement and window leak installation services in Knoxville guarantee long-lasting results, especially when maintaining double-hung windows. Knoxville. For those seeking window-style consultation in Knoxville, our experts provide personalized window design consultation and window measurement services. Our Knoxville window style experts help you choose the perfect windows to complement your home's aesthetic. With our Window Energy Audit Knoxville services, you can maximize your home's efficiency while enjoying the timeless elegance of double-hung windows. Knoxville. Our window pane replacement and window glazing services in Knoxville ensure your windows are both beautiful and functional. Trust our Knoxville window glazing experts to enhance your home's appearance and energy efficiency. With our window installation Knoxville warranty, you can have peace of mind knowing your investment in double-hung windows. Knoxville is protected. Discover the benefits of custom windows in Knoxville with our tailored solutions. Our Knoxville window insulation services improve your home's energy efficiency, while our window pane services Knoxville ensure your windows are in top condition. For reliable leak prevention and easy operation, choose double-hung windows. Knoxville for your home renovation project. Our Knoxville window design services offer comprehensive window style consultation and window measurement. Knoxville solutions. With our window replacement cost analysis, you can make informed decisions about your home improvement projects. Our Knoxville window contractor services include window safety features and double-hung windows. Knoxville installations for long-lasting quality. For reliable window screen services in Knoxville, our team provides expert installation and maintenance. Our Knoxville window trim experts ensure your windows are both stylish and functional. With our window leak solutions Knoxville, you can prevent costly water damage and maintain your home's integrity while keeping your double-hung windows Knoxville performing at their best. Choose our Knoxville window upgrade services for the latest in window technology and design. Our Window Energy Audit Knoxville helps you identify areas for improvement, while our Window Installation Knoxville warranty ensures your investment is secure. Trust our Knoxville window contractor for all your home window needs, and experience the lasting benefits of double-hung windows. Knoxville.